Model, 65-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 1.6 CDTI factory-fitted crew cab starts runs needs head gasket 80 km no VAT. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 80,579. Engine, 1,598 cc 1.6115 PSE 5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs perfect. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,350 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or